Hi, Debi Sementelli here, and I'm back to demonstrating with a pencil because my goal is to get anyone who would like to learn how to letter to start. And everybody has a pencil and everybody has paper. I am just going to use my lettering exemplar. And if you'd like a copy of these, just send me a message and I'm happy to email them to you. What I'm going to show you today is how you can flourish a letter. And I have a Skillshare class that talks specifically about this topic. But I thought I'd just demonstrate with a pencil so you can just see the thinking behind it. You want to start with the basic letter, so we're just going to start with A. So there's the basic letter. When we break it down, it's an oval and a stem that comes up. That's it. Okay. So what do we have to think about to flourish this? We have to think about the entry points and the exit points. So the entry point is right about here and the exit point is here. So let's look at that entry point. I can actually start over here and come around and extend that entry point, go up and down. So there's one flourish letter. I could take that and come around from over here. This would be primarily probably used in the beginning of a word, but it depends. Let's say you have a T here and you think, oh, here's an opportunity for me to combine a flourish with a letter. So that could work very nicely. Okay, let's look at what could we do with the exit stroke. So some obvious things. Just come on out and make a big swash. Let's try another. Oval, straight stem, and turn, and let's bring it around this way. And one of the reasons that I think it's a great idea to use a lettering guide underneath is that way you're actually practicing the letter forms while you're trying to figure out what are the options for flourishes. So we're continually putting that memory in the muscle. I could come down and around. Another oval shape. Again, this gives me great practice. Straight stem. Around like that. And again, this could fall in the middle of a word. It all depends on what letters are here. So if you had a word like congratulations and you had the T and an I and an O and an N and an S. Well, isn't that kind of an interesting thing? To my eye, this kind of completes the S. And as long as the line is thin, it's not going to compete with the N. So that could be a very interesting thing to do. Again, we're practicing that oval, straight stem, and how about going back underneath? Now let's look at going above. So now we could come up and do that.